We are in Hawaii, y'all. Say hi, guys. There's our family.
1, 2, 3, family.
Good morning, guys. It is day 3. And on this lovely day 3, our power is out in the villa. Don't mind the hair. As I was about to do my hair, the power went out. So I have to do a bun.
Entering, what did we find?
Secret arcade.
Oh, secret arcade.
We're doing a contest, who can win the most tickets, me and Mace versus David and Zoe, and I just won. I just won another one. Update, I just won 1,000 tickets.
Okay, can I just get a turn?
We hit the lottery. We're rich.
Here we go.
Aim at the target. Hold your fire. Oh my God! That one looks like Freddy Jr.
Look, I need you to focus. I need you to focus right now.
One move, one right, one up. One right, one up, y'all.
All right, child. Shit.
One right, one up.
Okay, I got this.
You got it, right? Isn't it so easy? I just couldn't get it. It's 8 times. Fucking hands up.
It looks easy as fuck, but it's really not.
No.
No. Oh.
Get it.
Oh
my God, you were so close.
I really thought I get so frustrated with this cookie.
Update. We have left the mall. Now we're at Costco to stock up on some things for the room.
Right. Mason, what we doing, man?
Again, don't mind the hair. The electricity went out in the room.
So look, vlog. I've been doing this for a long time.
So rapid.
It's my first time in Hawaii. I might have to spit a rhyme. Got that bitch, money on my mind.
I got something to say.
And I got a bad little bitch, she looking fine. I ain't never been in Hawaii, but for anything, I'll try. Yeah.
$600. Oh my God.
So back to what I was saying, cause you know I don't be playing. I really run the car right now, gang.
Dude, that shit was funny as fuck.
It's really part of a Hawaii trip. You gotta ride a cart and have your sister push it. And look, they got my sister bro right there too. Yo, gang.
Wasn't that bitch?
Ooh, I'm a little heavy still. Saw that rice I ate yesterday. Come on, we're gonna do a review. Taste it.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get out the way, man. Sausage?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now we got the cheese.
I didn't see a cheese one. What do you think?
Well, how good?
Yeah.
I don't know what freeway this is.
Hey guys, we are heading to the pool, well, really to the beach area. Battery is low. Love that for us. Oh, it's party over here. Mahalo. Your breast. Check out this view, honey. Oh my God, my brother lives in a movie, so please, if you hear something annoying in the background, just fast forward. This is the resort we're at.
Here we go.
Now we're looking for our family. I think they're at the beach though. The barbecue pits. Say hi, guys. There's our family. Alright, I'm ready to just jump the fuck in. How about you
I
guys?
just feel like nothing else matters. Like everything.
What are you talking about?
Like forget what mom and dad said. Let's just go and get out of
We're gonna
here.
go swimming. We'll check back later.
Wait, let me get the story.
Let's go, bro. We gotta go.
We're looking for Titanic.
Rock boy. Motherfucking rock boy. Rock boy. Rock boy.
The glasses. The glasses.
Go get him.
Where I think I see him.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
You motherfucker. Let's go, bro.
MVP!
Go, baby.
Did you record that? Yeah. Oh, I fucking found the glass at the bottom of the ocean, bro. Bro, we got a story to tell. I dropped the sunglasses and I fell in the ocean of Hawaii. What's up? It's your boy. We're in the water. We're in Hawaii right now. You guys having fun? CJ, how you feeling?
I'm all good.
Zayden, how you feeling?
I'm good.
Yeah! Oh, you know Kai's feeling good. Yo, Vincent! Alright. Zoe, how you feeling?
I just feel Vincent.
How you guys feeling? Mason, how you feeling? Yo, how you feeling? Vince, how you feeling?
Salt.
Yeah!
Those are the lovebirds. They're getting married on Friday.
Hello. Why'd you walk so fast?
Alright guys, I'm gonna try and swim. Do I look nuts? I put my
My
face
hair
in the
looks
water.
soggy now. Let me see.
Feel like you've been to a rainstorm.
Like a little wet tortilla. It's like soggy.
A little wet tortilla. Okay, we're gonna swim around. I'll check in later. Boy. I'll check in. Hey guys, it is day 4? Day 4? And we are at the swap meet here in Hawaii, doing some shopping. It's hot as hell here. I didn't put on sunscreen on my body, only on my face. So, next time you see me, I might be dark and burnt. Stay tuned.
Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
What's up, guys? First of all, I didn't update after the flea market. We didn't last very long because it was extremely fucking hot. And we didn't wear sunscreen, but we got some great stuff. Now we're on a, what is this called? Oh, but where's the glass? Oh, we're on a glass boat. Say hi. You guys know the bunch. David. We almost missed the boat, apparently. The rest of them are back there. This is a glass boat, so you can see the bottom. We are in Waikiki. Daddy? I'm just introducing everyone. Oh, hello.
We're heading out of is a natural sand passage drink created by the Valley of Makiki. Behind us is Makiki Valley. It's raining up there right now, but there used to be a big river that would flow through here. And it created
Skeleton looks like a fence. You see my key bottom?
you got the little blackfish, look at the LA. You got the little straight fish. The mix of the humu LA. Those are called paninis, or sorry, majors, because they are straight. Then you got the big great fish. Those are called enenue, or great chum. Okay. If you guys do see anything, let us know. If you guys have any questions, let us know as well. If you need a break from our voice, let you enjoy time with your Omaha, your family, friends, and enjoy the beauty of our island.
Say for starters.
Kahlua pork nachos. There's supposed to be salmon on here too, right, Zoe?
There should be.
Tell them where we are.
Waikiki.
We are at Highway Inn. The owners of the boat ride we just did highly recommended this. So we're trying it out.
Potato chip? Are they like potato
I think they're taro chips.
Can I have one?
Here,
No, I think they might be taro chips.
try it out. Let's find out. Are they taro chips or not?
Oh no.
Or maybe they're just potato chips.
I think this is sweet potato chips or something. Really good.
I'll show you guys their food when it comes. All right, Mace got Kahlua pig sliders and mac salad. How is it, baby?
Very good.
They also got furikake garlic fries. And Dave got this plantation plate. Brother, will you show off the food?
I believe, I forgot what it all was. Beef, this is chicken, this is something else, I forgot. So good.
Me and Zocalo are sharing nachos. Oh, and then we got mac salad too. It's really good.